Hello everyone, this is Mr. Brown and Bass and Max Weaver at Audio Architect. We are unboxing an AudioControl Altitude amplifier. Pretty nice looking amplifier.
Nice box too. Got your booklet. Actually nice. It's not a road map.
It's got the specs right on the front.
Comes with a care package. Let's see, what's in here? It's kind of light.
Should be the controller.
Look how light it is.
What the fuck? There ain't nothing in there.
This whole box for an Allen wrench.
What? That's crazy.
Wait, there's something else.
There's something else.
Oh, high level in.
Ah,
And you get the AudioControl guitar pick. They've done that since they started their company.
really? I've seen them before, but I wasn't sure why. Kind of reminds me of JL Audio or Memphis or something.
Moving on. A little plasticky. Feels really built well.
Pretty heavy.
Kind
What
of
was
a
that
cool
fill out?
color green.
Something fell out.
This is Do Not Eat.
Oh.
But yeah, cool. Oh, we need that Allen wrench out now.
Yeah, it feels nice. It's got a smiley face and sad face.
Yeah. AudioControl is always.
Oh yeah, I like their. Don't they?
Yeah, read some of the book, like the introductory.
Tasty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If there's an introductory, it usually says some funny stuff.
Sandwiches. Tea and sandwiches.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ready?
You just thought you were ready.
Pretty close. Screws fall out? Nope.
Well, hello.
The screws hold themselves in,
Do they?
so don't lose them. It looks really nice.
Yeah. What's that for?
LC Direct.
Is that for the DSP?
That's your high input and stuff. So it does more than high input.
It's a 4-channel fucking input.
Mm-hmm.
That's the first time I've ever seen a 4-channel input.
But it's wide because they can do more stuff with it. Let's see if the book says. Doesn't see anything.
It's got one little flaw on it right there, but
Oh well.
I like it though.
This little end thing is kind of weird. It's like modern art. The long-awaited moment when plethora is used in the manual.
Ah.
The plethora of controls, it says.
I'll have to go grab that salt amp and unbox that dude too.
Right here, note. The technical writer reserves the right to be wrong about things due to the cold medicine being the nighttime sleepy stuff and not the usual daytime strength.
Yeah, they put that stuff in there just to make you read the whole thing.
Dude, it's funny. It works.
I'm gonna grab that other out.